Hey folks, today is September the 19th. It's currently 11 o'clock in the morning. I started this recording about 10 o'clock. Unfortunately, that one shut down on me, so I had to restart it. As you guys can see here, we took this short trade based on these scorpions right here. You can see they're stepping up. We got our arrow, we got our dots above us. Stop here, take profit here. You can also see that I changed the time frames to 15, 30, and 1 hour. Last week they were, I believe it was 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. It might have been 4 hour daily and weekly, I don't recall, but I did go ahead and switch these up. Since we are trading on a 5-minute chart, I figured that would be better. And I had a few people ask me to switch it as well. Alright, so this is just 10 stop, 10 take profit. Something I did notice on this trade, this was a moderate trade. As you can see here, we have 2 red arrows pointing down, but it's showing aggressive here. So I'm not sure why it's showing that. I waited a little bit for it to switch back over here, but that never happened. So we're just gonna have to watch it and see what happens here. All right, let me pause it and I'll come back once we get some movement in one direction or the other. I actually had what is it called here? And here it is, Google Chrome. I had that up. I was talking about some of the trades other people were going into, and that really spiked this. You can see here I'm already at 99%. So I'm having to shut down just about everything. I don't have any internet boxes up. And again, that's mainly because it's pushing me up to 100, so I had to shut all that down. Now, actually, let me see what I'm pretty sure it's my recording software. Yeah, like I said in the previous video, you can see it's up to about 40%. So my recording software is what's been giving me problems here. Alright, so we'll see what happens. I'll be back momentarily. Alright folks, just wanted to pop back so you guys can see we did just hit our profit target. Alright, so we got about 10 pips on that one. I'll go ahead and pause it and I'll come back on our next setup. One thing I have noticed since switching this up to 15, 30, and 1 hour, I haven't got as many pop-ups. So it is 11:17 right now. Hopefully before 2 o'clock we'll get at least one more proper setup. We'll see what happens. Alright folks, we just had this pop-up on gold. Moderate buy. Everything looks to be the way it's supposed to be here. We got the 2 green arrows here. We got our scorpion stepping down. Got our blue arrow. Got our dot below the market. So everything looks okay here. Alright, so it's just 23 pip stop. And that, of course, will be trailed. Alright, let's watch it and see how it goes. I'll be back momentarily. Let me go ahead and place these levels so we know where they are. Alright, I'll be back. Alright folks, we got some downward momentum here. It's looking like it might hit our stop. We also have this diamond, which is a good thing for us, but might be too little too late. I've already taken a screenshot of this trade so I can post it so the vendor can see it, and we'll see what he has to say about it. All right, so it looks like market didn't push down enough to hit our stop. So we'll keep watching it and see what happens. All right, folks, market just went through our stop loss here. So that was minus 20 pips. And like I said, I took the screenshot. Got everything set here, so hopefully he'll be able to let me know if this was a proper setup. Just based on everything that I can see here, it does look to be a proper setup. So it might just be a losing trade, but we'll get his feedback and see what he has to say. All right, it is now 12:30. I'll keep it open till about 1 o'clock. And we'll see if we can hopefully get another few trades here. Get rid of all this stuff. All right, I'll be back momentarily. All right, folks, it is now 1 o'clock. I'll go ahead and post this in the members area so the vendor can let me know whether or not he thinks this was a good setup or a bad setup. Personally, I think it met all the criteria. So we'll just have to be patient and wait and see what he says. All right, GBP, Japanese yen. All right, that's stepping down the way it's supposed to. Got that there. Bullish, moderate. That's there. All right, it seems that this level right here, the market's really reacting to. And we be buying right into that. So I'm going to just let it go for today. I got some other stuff I have to get done. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and we'll also check if we have any response from the members area. All right, guys, take care.